If you're struggling to find motivated sellers, here are 5 filter combos you should try out in PropStream. 1. Vacant plus absentee owner. This is a clear indicator that the current owner is not living in the property and it's sitting empty, which means it's creating a financial burden. The owner has to pay taxes every year, maintain the property through maintenance costs just to make sure it's rentable for that possible next tenant. But we all know that right now, there is no income coming because it's not cash flowing. Most of these leads are not fueled by the max price, rather by the convenience and the relief that you can offer to them. 2. Failed and expired listings. These are properties that were listed but didn't sell. These are clear indicators of a motivated seller. And because they attempted one option already, most of these homeowners are open to alternative options and even flexible in the pricing. 3. Tax delinquency plus high equity. These are homeowners that are behind on taxes but still have a lot of equity. And because of the taxes, this may fuel them to want to sell much quicker before the taxes get out of hand. As a matter of fact, this is one of the strongest motivational signals right now in 2026. 4. Tired landlords. You know, it's not always rainbows and sunshine when you're a landlord. Long-term landlords recognize the tenant issues, the repairs, and the rising costs of owning a rental asset. That can also create owner fatigue, especially after 15 plus years of dealing with not just that rental property, but other rental properties in your portfolio. A lot of tired landlords typically like to offload properties or exit entirely. And 5. Individual owners with 2 to 5 properties. These are small investor portfolios, not large institutions. These individuals are more sensitive to market shifts, time, and operational stress. But they're great opportunities for relationship-based deals and repeat business. These 5 filter combos can help you find a motivated seller in PropStream. So make sure to save this post for later when you try them out using our free 7-day trial period.